Well, I do about 3 to 4 million feet a year. And I've been here for 37 years. It's a lot of lumber. It's all about quality. You'll see it in the grain. I mean, it's just, some of it is, and that's what we're looking for. I mean, you just sit there and stare at it, boy, it's going to make a beautiful top. Like a They're part of the history of America. This plant was built 24 years after the Civil War ended. Most of these factories have gone overseas. This is still right here in the same location, and it's just ingrained in all of us that grew up in this area. Probably for the rest of their lives.